Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's video, inshallah, we'll start to learn the Quran word by word with Tajweed, inshallah. And the surah from where, inshallah, we'll start is Surah An-Nas. So just be with me and practice this surah word by word, inshallah. Just read after me. Surah An-Nas Makkiyah. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس. Let's read it together. قل أعوذ برب الناس. Okay, next one. ملك الناس إله الناس من. You heard it right? You have to hide the noon. من like this. شر الوسواس الخناس. Good. At the end, you have to make a whistle sound because this is the letter seen from the whistle sound letters. الذي stretch the dal here because of a yamadda. يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة. You can see we are doing gunna here. Means we are taking the sound into our nose because this is noon having a tashdid sign on the top. So every time we have to do gunna. من الجنة والناس من الجنة والناس. Alright, so this is Surah An-Nas. We have to practice and inshallah we'll catch you in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.